Hi, I'm Jenny, I'm the museum's director and I'm going to take you on a tour of the medieval barn. So this is the museum's medieval barn and we are restoring it as part of our kitchen project, which is funded by National Lottery Heritage Fund and Mid-Suffolk District Council, among other funders. When I came here to start the museum 10 years ago, this was one of the first buildings I came into, and it was one of the reasons why I sort of wanted to take the job, because it was such a beautiful building in such a poor state, and I thought this is one of the spaces that I'd really like to bring back to life and make really central to the visitor route. I think it's quite magical. I love the patching, I love the sort of sense of the space when you're walking around it. I really wanted to make sure that we retained all of the kind of idiosyncrasies about the way that it doesn't quite fit together perfectly and the way it's been patched over time. But I also wanted to make it more usable, and I wanted to make sure it didn't rain inside anymore. And that's one of the things that we've been able to accomplish with this project. So the barn connects into our shop. It's going to be the first thing that people see when they visit the museum. So I'm just going to take you through to see what we've done. And a whole bunch of things in here. We've dealt with the roof timbers, we've dealt with the floor, we've dealt with the lighting, and the lighting was in a particularly bad state beforehand. It was largely strapped around the beams, but what we've now done is being able to hide lighting behind at lots of levels so that it really brings out the quality of the beams, which you'll see when I turn this on. For years, these walls have been covered over with cloth because they had holes in them, so we've patched all of that up, and it's revealed a lot of the features that were kind of missing and we didn't know about beforehand. You can see the way that this building has been really repaired over the years. Here's a time where they just used a pretty bare piece of wood. Here's a time where they obviously used what looks like an old staircase balustrade. So this is a building that's really been patched over the years, and we wanted to make sure that we retained that quality in the restoration work that we've done in here. Dealt with the roof, which previously had an awful lot of holes in it, and we've extended the sarking board that was in one area across the whole roof here. We've also restored and recited our Green Man, which is a lovely piece of work that was produced by the Master Blacksmiths Company in the year 2000. And we put that right in the centre of the barn as sort of the god of the barn, which will greet you when you come in here. The other thing we've done in this space is we've produced an introductory video, and that will be playing in here to tell people all about the wider project that we've been doing around the site, and also about all the things that there are to see on a visit to the Food Museum. Quite a lot of accessibility features in here, some of which are invisible, like the hearing loop to improve the sound in the barn. But we've also done things like raise the floor level outside up to the level of the barn so that this is a much more accessible space than it was before. We've been doing a lot of these kind of measures around site to try and make the site a more inclusive place to visit, which includes things like the changing places toilet, surfaced paths, lifts, and a whole series of other things which are making it a much more friendly place for everyone. So the barn's not quite yet finished. We've still got some cladding repairs to do over in this area, and we also still have the final floor finish to go in place, which is a series of tiles that are currently en route to us and hopefully will arrive middle of July, and we'll be able to get that down for September. But it's not stopping us from using it temporarily. So we've got a series of weddings and other events in this space, and we'll be opening it to the public really soon once those final repairs are finished to the walls.